So today is August 1st, 2019, and this Paulownia Tomentosa, 18 months old, is getting quite large. It's in a very sunny spot, as you can see, and look, it's almost, I would say it's already 100 centimeters or a meter tall. And it has grown quite a bit since July, and the leaf is quite large, or the leaves are quite large, and the trunk is quite thick there. The main, like the biggest one, that is. There are two other fresh trunks, and there's the old brown one from last year. So I'm hoping that this thing grows another meter before the end of the growing season, and then next year it'll be like a regular tree with a woody trunk. So then over here is a Lanthus altissima, or tree of heaven. It just started growing here on its own. Wind dispersed seed, because there's a lot of these trees all over the place, but it's in the perfect spot, I think, which is just to the right of the Paulownia Tomentosa, so that is not bad. Both trees are originally from China, so they should be good friends. And here's the other Paulownia Tomentosa, which I transplanted and damaged some of its roots. So the old leaves, they wilted. They're actually kind of recovering, but they got eaten by bugs or insects. And these are new leaves, so it is recovering. We'll have to see how much it grows for the rest of this month, but it has multi-trunks as well. But basically, if you transplant a tree, do your best not to